Hello, lovers of good health. Welcome to your favorite channel, Susanna Home Remedies. Just like a lingering dinner guest who overstays their welcome, rust can be a tough visitor to remove from your porcelain toilet. If your chemical-based cleaning products haven't managed to give rust the boot, it may be time to try something else, a pumice stone. That's right, this small piece of volcanic rock is the best way to get rid of stubborn rust rings and restore the majestic sparkle to your porcelain throne. If you like natural remedies and home tips, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. You will love all our posts. Let's begin. The already unpleasant job of cleaning a toilet becomes even worse when, despite your best efforts, you can't get out stubborn stains, mineral buildups, and rings at the waterline. If the toilet is porcelain, reach for a pumice stone or stick, an inexpensive yet effective cleaning tool that requires no chemical cleaning products, only water and some scrubbing action. Tell me, what products do you use to clean your toilet? Pumice, a volcanic rock, is a very soft, light, and porous stone. Stones and bar-shaped sticks are sold on the cleaning aisles of supermarkets and hardware stores. Some have plastic handles attached. They are relatively inexpensive, but wear down with use and must be replaced. A pumice stone is effective for cleaning porcelain toilets without scratching them because the stone is harder than most mineral deposits and stains that typically develop on toilets, yet softer than porcelain. As you scrub porcelain with a pumice stone, the stone wears away and leaves small particles of pumice dust on the wet surface. This dust combines with water to form an abrasive paste. As you continue to scrub, the paste and the rough pumice stone combine to form a twofold strike against the stains. Before cleaning a porcelain toilet with a pumice stone, you must thoroughly wet both the stone and the surface to be cleaned, and keep the stone and the surface wet as you work. Wear rubber gloves and use the toilet water for this purpose, or keep a separate bucket of clean water beside you. Rinse the surface with clean water after every few minutes of scrubbing to assess how much progress you've made on the stains. Move on to the next area as soon as the previous one looks clean. Remember to wet the stone and porcelain frequently as you work. Flush the toilet to rinse away all the residue from the bowl when you have finished. Alternate the angle of pressure as you scrub the toilet with the pumice stone. As the stone wears away, you create a point or flattened area that conforms to the rounded shape of the toilet bowl and makes for a more effective scrubbing action. In addition to cleaning toilets, pumice stones can also be used on other hard surfaces, such as porcelain bathtubs, tiles, oven racks, and rusted metal tools. Why don't you tell me where you're from? I want to know your city and your name. Hey, do not use pumice stones to clean marble, laminate, plastic, or fiberglass toilets. Doing so will result in permanent scratches. A dry pumice stone will also scratch porcelain, so be sure to keep the stone and the toilet surface wet at all times. Also bear in mind that even if you have a porcelain toilet, the toilet seat is more likely to be plastic and should not be scrubbed with a pumice stone. If you're not sure what your toilet is made of, test the pumice in an inconspicuous area before proceeding. While impressive in its efficacy, a pumice stone isn't suitable for cleaning the toilet on a regular basis. Reserve this task only for infrequent deep cleaning sessions. I have to say goodbye. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Share the information with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch all our new videos. Stay healthy and happy.
So I just wanna say, even if I'm far away, you